BMW Motorrad is working on two new scramblers inspired by the early R80 GS. With a focus on competent off-road ability, it's likely that these bikes would be successor to the RnineT Urban GS and the Scrambler. It will be targeting the Triumph Scrambler 200 models. Up front, both bikes have 12-inch spoked wheels, shod with mid-zilla curved 3 off-road tires. Both also have longer travel suspension, front and rear. However, we'd expect the Urban GS model to have 250 mm front and rear, while the Scrambler is more likely to have close to 220 mm. For even more off-road prowess, the GS has the headers tucked up high by the engine. The exhaust is stuffed up tight by the gearbox to create as much ground clearance as possible. It could be that because the photograph was taken at such an angle that the engine is the same, however it's looking deceptive. Both bikes also sport a new seat unit, with the Urban GS model having single bench seat that's reminiscent of the early BMW rally bikes that raced the Dakar. There are other nice off-road touches too, including chunky footrest and levers, high mudguards, and pillion peg hangers that appear to be removable. On the Urban GS, it looks though the BMW have tucked the oil cooler up a little higher so that it is out of the way from the flying debris due to the front tire. Previously, BMW briefly built HP2 Enduro from 2005 to 2008. It was a difficult sell at that time. In the years since, the bike has developed a cult following, with used models now commanding higher prices than what it was sold when it was new. BMW will be keen to get these into market before the Scrambler 1200s become ubiquitous. We'd expect to hear something official before the end of the year and hopefully the launch next year. What do you feel about these motorcycles? Please let us know in the comment section below. We would love to get your feedback and share the same. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this with your friends. Until that time, stay tuned.